Hello, welcome back to Modelworks. Our topic for this video is a little delicate because it's human nature to focus on the positive side. However, every business has a negative story to tell. So here we go. If you remembered the Premier 1 jet aircraft from our previous video, we acknowledged the mistake we made on the interior of the aircraft. Unlike many of our builds, this aircraft has undergone many changes, and it is a part of a YouTube channel called Premier 1 Driver, piloted by Greg Mink. The challenge with duplicating an aircraft from a YouTube channel is extracting the correct images from the right video. We were eventually able to replicate the latest interior details for the initial client. Then we proceeded with the exterior and provided a product update. Unfortunately, there are two discrepancies for the aircraft that we made. The color of the cowlings or engine covers were repainted on the actual aircraft from white to blue. There is also a tiny bumblebee on the cowling of each engine. Lastly, the aircraft model was supposed to have a clear canopy with the fuselage cut out to reveal the interior on one side. This was too much to handle for our client, and suddenly, they decided to cancel the order. Just to be clear, the original client was not Greg Mink from the Premier 1 Driver channel. But all of you are probably wondering who this buyer was. Well, unfortunately, we cannot share the information. That is one detail we cannot reveal. Just a side note before we proceed, all businesses make mistakes and things happen. However, what separates the good companies from the bad ones is what an organization does to solve a problem. Here at Modelworks, we will not stop until the model is customized to your satisfaction. Now going back to the cancellation story, we have another model on the rejected shelves, and we hate the idea of a model being rejected. So we contacted Greg Mink, the real owner and pilot of this Beechcraft Premier 1, and has a YouTube channel with almost 200,000 subscribers. After sharing the photos to him and exchanging emails about the situation, Mr. Greg agreed to collaborate on this build and add this content on both of our channels. So I will end this video here. Stay tuned as we make changes on this very special Beechcraft Premier 1 aircraft. Thank you for watching. This is Rod. Have a great day.